Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for yeast infections that are available on the market for their true quality. It's list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Stella and Chewy's Instinct Raw Boost Grain-Free Recipe. The Instinct Raw Boost Grain-Free Recipe by Stella and Chewy's offers a protein-rich, grain-free diet that is perfect for dogs with food sensitivities. Packed with 95% salmon, beef, organs, and bone, including beef liver and wild-caught salmon. This recipe provides the nutrition dogs need while satisfying their taste buds. It also contains organic fruits and veggies such as cranberries, blueberries, broccoli, and beets to support a healthy immune system and overall energy. This product has been selected as number 1 in the list for its emphasis on natural ingredients without artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. The use of responsibly sourced premium ingredients ensures high-quality nutrition for pets. Additionally, its low-carb and high-protein formula with added vitamins and minerals supports whole body health, including skin and coat, as well as digestive support, making it an ideal choice for dog owners looking to provide their pets with wholesome nutrition. Moving on at number 4, we have the Olewo Original Red Beets for Dogs. Olewo Original Red Beets for Dogs is a convenient and highly nutritious dog food topper that offers multiple benefits for your furry friend. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, these red beets act as a natural whole food multivitamin, supporting your dog's immune system and promoting healthy digestion. Not only do they assist in cleansing the body of toxins, but they also address common skin issues from within, providing relief from itching and contributing to a healthier coat. By incorporating Olewo red beets into your dog's diet, you can help ease discomfort caused by nutritional deficiencies or environmental factors. As an owner looking for effective ways to support your dog's overall wellness, this product stands out as a reliable solution that goes beyond traditional supplements like fish oil or probiotics. At number 3, we have the Nutro Ultra Adult Small Breed Dry Dog Food. Nutro Ultra Adult Small Breed Dry Dog Food is a top choice for small breed owners seeking high-quality nutrition for their pets. Packed with a trio of proteins from chicken, lamb, and salmon, this dog food supports strong muscles and a lean body while delivering delectable flavor that dogs love. With essential antioxidants for healthy immunity and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids to promote radiant skin and coat, Nutro Ultra provides comprehensive support for your pet's overall well-being. This dry dog food is meticulously designed for the unique needs of small breed dogs, making it an excellent option to ensure your furry friend receives the nourishment they require. The inclusion of real chicken as the primary ingredient further highlights its commitment to providing optimal nutrition. At number 2, we have the Dr. Harvey's Raw Vibrance Dog Food. Dr. Harvey's Raw Vibrance Dog Food offers a convenient and healthy solution for pet owners looking to provide their dogs with a raw diet. Made in the USA, this grain-free mix contains an array of nutrient-rich ingredients, including dehydrated vegetables, antioxidant-rich fruits, energy-packed seeds, and immune-boosting superfoods. This product allows for easy preparation of 28 one-pound meals by simply adding hot water and your choice of protein and oil. The dog food is ideal for those aiming to address yeast infections in dogs through diet. Its holistic blend of whole foods, such as raw goat's milk, green-lipped mussels, shiitake mushrooms, and eggshell membranes, supports canine health. Dr. Harvey's Raw Vibrance Dog Food caters to both the expertise-driven pet owners seeking high-quality nutrition and the convenience-oriented individuals desiring a hassle-free meal prep experience for their furry companions. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wellness Core Plus Grain-Free Dog Food. Wellness Core Plus Grain-Free Dog Food delivers the essential nutrition that your dog needs to thrive. Made in the USA with globally sourced, non-GMO ingredients, this natural dry dog food is free from corn, wheat, and soy, providing a wholesome diet tailored for optimal health. The presence of key elements like glucosamine for joint strength and probiotics for digestive wellness highlights the comprehensive support this food offers. Additionally, the inclusion of omega fatty acids contributes to a healthy skin and coat, crucial for your furry friend's overall well-being. This protein-packed dog food promotes leaner body mass and muscle tone by aligning with dogs' natural diet requirements. It comprises high-quality protein ingredients that cater to their instinctive cravings, while also delivering 100% raw, freeze-dried lamb pieces for a delectable treat at mealtime. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.